Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For today's video, it's been a little while since I did a thrift flip. So I had 3 pieces that I got recently and decided to do a little upgrade to those pieces. Before we get into the whole video, I wanted to do a little mini haul from a company called Susari Silk. It is a sustainable one-of-a-kind clothing made from pre-loved Indian saris. And you guys know I love my prints, I love my saris, my kimonos, and I just wanted to share a few pieces that I got recently from this company. So I'm gonna start off with my first piece, and it is this beautiful kimono. When I saw it, my jaw dropped. It is just so gorgeous. Look at the sleeves. I mean, whether I wear it inside the house, outside the house, this is one of those pieces that are just so comfortable. It's lightweight. It is beautiful. The pattern, the fabric. If you look inside, there's another little detail here. It is just the perfect kimono, and I am so happy about this one. It's just the right length too. You know, there's some kimonos you can either go too short, too long, but this one is just perfect. So I got this beautiful piece. So the next piece is this gorgeous jumpsuit. It has a harem pant effect. You can either wear it with the tie, since it does have a waist tie, or you can wear it just completely loose and baggy. It's totally optional, but I just fell in love with the color. I think it's perfect for the fall time. I just love burgundy colors in the fall time. It is just the perfect jumpsuit, and I paired it with the next piece, which I'm going to show you. I mean, I love the other pieces, but this is just such a wow piece. And it is this beautiful, I guess you can call it a duster or a kimono, but look at the beautiful detailing. It is so spectacular. It is gorgeous. So I thought that the jumpsuit and this kimono sort of duster went perfect with the jumpsuit. I don't know, I'm gonna wear it either together. You can even wear it with a pair of just simple jeans and a t-shirt, and I just think that adds like a little bit of sparkle if you're going to an event. The reason why I got it, I'm thinking ahead. I'm thinking maybe Christmas time or even for New Year's. I think this is just the perfect layering piece. So if you're interested, she's super sweet and offering you guys a discount code of 15%. The only thing is that you have to contact her on Depop or Instagram, and her name is Francesca. So I will leave all the information down below. So anyway, happy shopping, enjoy. So something else I wanted to share with you that I am super excited is I am doing a giveaway in today's video. It is a $150 gift card. I'm not going to mention the company's name. I'm going to give you all the details and all the info in the middle of the video. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this whole thrift flip. Enjoy. for my first piece, I found this vase for $3.99 maybe a week ago, and what drew me to it was the shape of it. I believe it's maybe like a handmade pottery that someone did, but I just love the shape and I thought it was modern. I was not liking the color. I wanted to give it a little bit more of texture and dimension to it. So that's exactly what I did, and this idea came to me in the middle of the night. I was like, what can I put in order to add a little bit of dimension? And coffee beans. Coffee beans came in my head. Don't ask, I don't know where it came from, but it just did. And I'm so happy. It's one of those thrift flips that I think they came out really nice. So I used a vase, and I also used a necklace that I had found at the thrift store for the top of it. I thought it just paired perfectly. It added a little finishing touch to it, and I could not be happier of the end result. So as I mentioned earlier, I have a $150 gift card to give to one of you. It is from a company called Bedsure, and Bedsure is an affordable home linen company. They have high quality, cozy, and comfortable products like blankets, throws, pillows, pillowcases, duvet covers, mattress pads, even toppers, and also pet supplies. So if you're looking for all of those products, they are definitely your go-to store. In order to participate, they would like you to follow them on Instagram and on YouTube and write a comment down below. I will be announcing the winner in my next video, so stay tuned. And we're just gonna keep on going with this video. Good luck, guys. for my second thrift flip, I loved this piece. I saw it hanging there and there was just something about it that I was attracted to. I, for one, didn't like the pink little beads that were in there. I loved the shape of it. It wasn't this big, huge thrift flip, but I thought I can tweak it and just make it a little bit more modern and just add a little bit of extra to it. So I used some clay and decided to do some other weird shapes to it. It's another one of my thrift flips that I'm actually happy of how it turned out. You can either lay it flat, put it in a bowl, just kind of let it hang from a vase. So anyway, that's my second thrift flip. Moving on to my third and last one. I did this one, I would say a few months ago, and I wasn't sure whether or not I was gonna put it in there, but I'm like, you know what, I might as well just add it into this whole thrift flip because it was a thrift flip. I had seen this wooden cross and I just fell in love with the cross. The message inside the cross was beautiful as well, but I just wanted to make it a little bit more me and more modern and to my aesthetic. So I end up just adding a little bit of some rope, some seashells, and just making it more of a bohemian vibe to it. I ended up putting this one, if you saw in one of my videos where I did that whole gallery wall, I ended up putting it on the wall, and I could not be happier with this one as well. So that is it. That is pretty much my entire video. So I added in a little mini haul and a thrift flip, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Good luck to the winner. I will be announcing it in my next video. Also, just comment down below. Let me know which piece was your favorite. For my next video, I was thinking of doing, since I had so many people ask me to show you guys my ring collection. So I think that's what I'm going to do for my next video. So comment down below. Let me know if that is something you would want to see. Thank you so much for all your love, your support, and your thumbs up. They mean the world to me. And I know I keep saying it, but I told you I'm going to keep saying it. I love you guys. So anyway, have an amazing day, an amazing week. I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye.